I hope you guys have been enjoying my Vlogmas videos because I've been loving it so far. And I'm so excited. I've been staying dedicated like I said I would be. We're on, this might be like 10 or 11, but I'm so excited. I kept up with it. I made multiple videos early in advance to get myself a head start. And it honestly helped me a lot to focus on whatever I have to do for the day and how I could make it into a video. So I hope you guys are enjoying it, and if you are, give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Also, please, to help me get some motivation, put a "you got this" in the comments, and make sure you put on your notifications because I am uploading every single day. But I'll see you guys in the next couple clips. I made it, but I don't know. I wanted these other ones, but they don't have my size. And then I don't know if they have this one and my size either. So, FYI, if you guys didn't know, I actually used to work in the Zara. I think I'm just gonna get these. Let me know if y'all want a Zara perfume little vlog. There's a lot of dupes for Zara, so yeah, let me know if you want it. I thought I was gonna be able to record while I was in Zara, but when I got over here, you know, it's only the meter parking, so I had to park at a meter. I think I put $1 and maybe $1.50, and it took me to basically nothing. So I had to rush in here, pick up some stuff really quick that I like, and run to the lines because all the lines was so long. But I found a little cute things. I found something a little cute. Now it is now 5:07. I think the eyebrow place closed at 6, so I'm about to zoom uptown to see if I can make it there to get my eyebrows done, because this is not it. And I might just have to turn the Zara thing into maybe a Zara try-on haul. I guess I'll do that instead. But yeah, I told you I wanted to go to Trader Joe's. How about I completely forgot? And by the grace of God, something told me to look up at the street. I was on 90th Street, and I don't know what avenue I was on, but I was on 90th, but I was close to Trader Joe's, and I was like, I would have forgot to go to Trader Joe's. And I really, really want this spinach dip. I don't know if I told y'all, I tried to make spinach dip at home. I don't know, but these just remind me of dinosaur eggs. I would never. I'm so excited. I'm getting two. They're so good. I never ate a corn dog. Honestly, I had these before, but they don't have no taste. You gotta season them, and it's hard to season something that comes like that. Here's the pieces on this side. Shrimp and garlic flatbread. This sounds good. I think I saw this on TikTok as well. and it reminds me of the pizza place in Brooklyn. First of all, not them being on to the pho, but why does everybody have beef? I don't eat that. I'm not eating that. I guess I'm not getting that. I was really checking to see if they had. I'm gonna buy this garlic naan because I did buy the tzatziki sauce from ShopRite the other day when you guys were with me, so I'm gonna get this. This usually tastes really good. I should buy one. The best one to me is the butter chicken, so I'm just gonna get one. Cause sometimes I just be needing like something quick to eat. But these be good. Oh, I had falafel. I had falafel one day and it was so good, so I'm just gonna try it. I did not come in here for this. I came in here for spinach dip, and I'm picking up all this extra stuff. They have a lot of new stuff though. A lot of new stuff. Ravioli, Alfredo. Oh, everything looks so good. And if you know, you know, with the pizza, you buy that. That burrito is really good. Oh, this chicken is fire. Like, it's like real fried chicken. It's so good. Also, the salmon burgers, turkey burgers, shrimp burgers, all so good. Shrimp boom bob. Shrimp. Alright, I'm not getting that now.
Ice cream cookie? Yeah, it's like a soft
they got
ice
no
cream.
cheese.
They're kind of delicious. You got chocolate.
Oh, they only got chocolate mochis. No, they can't just have that.
I saw it. I thought about getting it.
I told y'all they got more. Sorry. Caramel apple, that sounds good, but I'm gonna stick to my vanilla. I'm gonna stick to what I'm used to. Dang, the caramel apple does sound good, but I'm not doing that today. Oh, this here. These are my favorites. I'm actually gonna buy this because I'm gonna buy some ice cream to eat that with. It's so freaking good, bro. What else is over here? Oatmeal. Chicken sausage. No. Potato cakes. Hash browns. Okay, I'm done, y'all. This is all I'm getting. I'm not getting nothing else. I refuse. I'm done. I really thought my day was gonna be all messed up because the last minute stuff I had to do, the last minute stuff that popped up, actually wasn't that bad. I was able to stop at Trader Joe's. I went to Zara. Now I'm looking crazy walking to my car with these heavy bags. People so weird, right? I don't always like paying attention. I could have sworn this guy was just like standing here, and I kept looking like, why are you standing by my car? But like his back was towards my car, and like I was just confused. But as I get closer, as I get closer, he starts walking away. So I watched him walk all the way away. Oh, now he's coming out with his suitcase. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what he was looking at. But I watched him all the way until he walked to his car. But I don't know. People be weird, but that just goes to show, watch your surroundings at all times. I watched him from the moment I was far away, before I even went directly to my car. He's still sitting here though, with a suitcase. Maybe he's waiting on somebody. I don't know. But I know exactly what he got on and everything. So if I see him again randomly, I already know. I pay attention, okay? Don't play with me. Got some good things from Trader Joe's. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. I got 2 of my spinach dips, and I got some extra stuff that I didn't even taste before. They had a lot of new stuff in there, and that's what I like. Like, I be tired of eating my food, so I'm gonna do a little quick little haul when I get home, and it's gonna have my little Trader Joe's stuff in there, and that's it. That's it. But y'all gotta go to Trader Joe's. I don't know. I used to always be like, I'm not going to Trader Joe's because it's expensive, and because I thought it was like a Whole Foods, like one of those places, until I went, and it's not expensive at all, boo. It's dark outside, and it's dark in his car. Hold up. It's not expensive at all. It's actually very good. I wish I would have got the clementine because I still didn't eat. It's 5:45, and all I ate today was a small bag of chips. But this is how it be when I be like on a move, doing my errands, and it's cool because tonight I'm gonna go home. Dang, I think I got something to do tonight too, though. That's if I go. I should go. I want to go. It's that my mind. I'm tired. But I might go. The only thing that's stopping me is the fact that I'm in Harlem already. It's in Harlem. I have to go back home to change my clothes and then come back to Harlem. That's the only thing that's pissing me off. But I might just go just to get out the house. I need a breather, and like if I get drunk, I could just stay in Harlem. Like, that's the good part about it. I don't have to drive back home. But I'll see you guys in the next clip. I just made it to the eyebrow place. So what I usually do is I get my eyebrows waxed, and then I also get them tinted. Ooh, the rats is out. That's why I gotta go in here and come back out. If you from New York, you know. And maybe, you know, I've been a couple other places and there's been a lot of rats too. But New York, these, ooh. I wish I could get. It's right there. Look. Oh, shoot. Do y'all see how big? First of all, that's one right there. Look how big. Oh my God. So when you see stuff like that, and now people about to walk past that same area, when you see stuff like that, don't leave your car parked here for too long. We gotta run in and we gotta run back out. I gotta get my stuff, my bag. We gotta go, because we gotta come back. We gotta back to the video. I wanted to show y'all the before after. So this would be the after of my eyebrows, and I'm not coming that close because she messed up my eyebrows and it's really irritating me. But that's the thing about it. So that first day is like very, very, very dark, which is why it's this little slanted. So the first day is always like way too dark. So that's why I was like, I am not recording yesterday. I washed my face, everything. So now you can see like how they're actually gonna look. I'm never going to her again. I told myself I wasn't gonna go again, but yesterday it was just like last minute as per usual. Same with the hair. I just needed my eyebrows done and I was gonna do it. But I'm about to book this other girl because her opening's open on Sunday. So that's another reason why I wasn't able to go to her. Her opening's open on Sunday, and then you get to book. So I'm about to go and book hers because this one, she took off some of my eyebrow, like too much of it here, and then she didn't she didn't tint it enough in the beginning. But it's nothing I can do about it now. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna try to like shade. My sister left like I don't even know what it's called, the black little stuff that you do the eyebrows with. I don't know how to do makeup, and I'm gonna just be using that because that pissed me off. And I took her little thing because I was just like, I was trying to get her to fix it yesterday, and like she thought she fixed it, but like now that I washed my face and everything, it's not the same. But that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. The Zara try on haul is actually going to be next because I didn't get to try on anything inside of the store due to me not having enough time at the meter yesterday. The meters was over at 7. It was only... I bought that little USB to take up, like, to save my space on, and I never freaking used it. But I'm going to do that today because all of this cutting off in and out. Before I cut off again, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on Vlogmas Day maybe 11 or 12 with the Zara haul. I'm not sure which one is going to go first, but thank you so much. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what else you want to see for this Vlogmas in the comments below. Bye.